Hello guys, remember me, Simon from Welding. How are you doing out there? Hope you're keeping safe. We're certainly missing you at Keighley College. Can't wait to see you back in the workshop. I'm just keeping myself occupied in lockdown, staying safe, having a bit of fun. Thanks for watching, and basically, like it says, now that was a lot of fun. Thanks to everybody who's been working online, and hopefully we'll be coming to an end one day shortly in the near future. In the meantime, keep up the good work on Google Classroom, really appreciate it. I'm just going to mark some of your work now. So see you soon, all the best from Keighley College Welding and Fabrication. And if you want any more information about some of the fantastic courses we run, remember we've got level 1 to level 3, full-time, day release, and also we've got apprenticeship programs running. We'll talk to you if you contact any of the team. That'll be great. See ya and hope to hear from you. Bye.